Hello friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Discord account. Now it's very important to know that before you delete your account you have to transfer ownership of any Discord you have, or in fact delete them. But once you have that sorted, in order to delete your account you want to click your settings here in the lower left hand side. Then under my account, scroll down towards the bottom, and here you have delete account. Simple click on delete, and you'll get pop up if you haven't transferred the ownership. You want to do that, so you want to ensure that you transfer ownership of any servers that you may have. No, guys, in case you want to transfer ownership before you delete your account, then all you have to do is just find that server on the left hand side, right click, go to the server settings, go to members, and from here you want to go ahead and find the user who you want to transfer the ownership to. Now click the three dots towards the right hand side and then click and transfer ownership, and here you can transfer the ownership of that server to that person before you delete your account. And that's it.